Okay, I'm going to walk you through how to cross list for quarter one. So you're going to have a whole bunch of different classes on your dashboard. It can be very overwhelming. It's all of them for the whole year. We need to focus on quarter one. And notice you can't tell which ones are quarter ones if you just look at these little cards. So what you're going to do is you're going to go to courses and you're going to see where it says in light gray at the very end, this one is for third quarter, fourth quarter. And here I finally see something for first quarter. And so what I want to do, since this is the same class that they're teaching all at the same content, we want to cross list them. I want to move all of my blocks into one shell. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to pick a shell to have all my students in. So I'm going to pick this shell right here, and I'm going to go ahead and give it a name that makes it stand out. So we go to settings, and I'm going to click here and say biology 2025, 2026, something that is unique, that stands out. Notice this has the term here. You can't change this as a teacher, so make sure you're picking the right shell that says what term you belong in. And then you're just going to update that course. Notice how I had them match here. So whatever was on this name, it's also the course code. Now, when I go to courses, you'll be able to see that that's over here. And now I need to move my block 2 and my block 3 into that. So here is block 2. I want to move these students. I'm going to go into my block 2. If I go to settings, and of course it's not wanting to scroll, you can see here it is first quarter. I'm going to go sections. I'm going to click the name of my block 2. On the right side, we're cross listing. And then we're going to search for the course. So I'm going to go ahead and paste that name that I just created and then hit cross list. Then I'm going to do it again for block 3. So if I go here down to first quarter, block 3, scroll down to settings. Notice it says first quarter. We're going to go sections. You're going to click on the name, cross list, paste. You have to click on this, what that pops up, otherwise it won't cross list. It fills it up down here. Hit cross list. And now if I go to my dashboard, I can find what I just created. I'm going to drag this up to be at the top because it's easier to find. So there I am. There's my biology for the year. If I go into settings, it still says first quarter. I'm going to go sections. There's my block 1, my block 2, and my block 3. When I go to the grades tab, notice you can apply filters by sections, and you have your block 1, your block 2, and your block 3.